Today's enterprise users expect the same level of experience they get as consumers: modern interfaces, mobile access, and intuitive workflows. Delivering this seamlessly on top of existing ERP systems is complex, and that's exactly what Mokxa specializes in, helping enterprises achieve this without disruption using Joget, the industry-leading, open-source, low-code, no-code, AI-enabled fabric for app development and integration. We know the problem isn't intent, it's integration and the limits of the monolithic ERPs. In fact, more than 10 years after SAP S/4HANA was launched, 61% of SAP customers still haven't upgraded. ERP, whether SAP, Oracle, Microsoft, or homegrown systems, simply can't keep up with evolving workflows and endless customizations. So ERP upgrades often turned into high costs and specialized resources IT can't always find. Companies are stuck to choose between slow, outdated tools or gamble on massive ERP overhauls. Neither path works anymore. Mokxa and Joget break this cycle with its drag-and-drop, no-code API connector builder. Powered by AI and open source, Joget enable business users build integrations that connects ERPs and operations in minutes. You'll instantly unlock modern, mobile-first UI, AI-powered automation across the last mile, and apps that your teams actually want to use. Best of all, you'll gain a future-proof, user-first layer that maximizes your ERP investment, allowing you to eliminate manual spreadsheets and email workarounds without disruptions. If your modernization roadmap around ERPs feels stuck, let's talk. Mokxa will help you unlock the full power of Joget on the systems you already trust. Request a demo today.